Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta Tata Chain. For the last 1 week, pre-market and post-market and the last week I had program. So everything I could not do. The first thing is that I was too busy with some other work and I was little bit tired also. Today also, I have no camera setup. So I'm just doing only the audio recording. And moreover, today evening also, after the market hours, I might be traveling to Dubai. So today evening also, I might be able to do only the audio recording. But from tomorrow, the usual video will be coming. And I came to Bengaluru for workshop, 2 days workshop. So today evening, I'll be traveling back to Dubai. So coming back to markets, 25,500 is supposed to be a good support. And last Friday, that 25,500 was broken intraday, but closed around 25,500. Actually, about 25,500 at the end of the day. But because of last half an hour weighted average closing, Nifty is showing 8 points lower than 25,500. And technically, Nifty is becoming short if Nifty closes below 25,420. So that's a technical level. In fact, it was lower than that level Friday, but there was a short covering at the lower level. So that took the market higher. Surprisingly, FIIs were net buyers for more than 4,000 crores. Remember, this is the first buying by FIIs in the November series. October series on expiry day, they bought for about 10,000 crores. And then after that, continuously they were sellers in the November series. The first time, last Friday, they were net buyers. And another thing, in this series, the Bank Nifty was weak. And because of this Bank Nifty index weightage rejig. So I think that selling has been over. So that's otherwise the ICICI Bank, which was very, very weak for the last many weeks, for the first time on Friday, ICICI Bank was well in green. Even when the market was down, ICICI Bank was in green. So we can say that Bank Nifty rejig, so that one is completely factored in already. So otherwise, IT stocks are still in trouble, but with US markets recovering so much, so we can expect some kind of recovery in IT stocks also. TCS has gone down below 3,000 once again. We can expect some kind of a recovery in IT stocks. US markets was very, very volatile. On Friday, it fell about 1.5%, then recovered about 1%. Right now, I told you already, the US market government shutdown. So this is the longest shutdown in the history for nearly 40 days. But I think now there are some signs that the government will reopen. They cannot close the government forever. The government staff, they don't get their salary and all those kind of things. So sooner than later, they have to reopen the government. So that will be one positive news for US markets. So I think that may be done by today. So with this FII buying in huge quantities and some positive news coming from US, but GIFT Nifty is not showing anything positive. The GIFT Nifty is still showing slightly negative opening, but GIFT Nifty is not reliable. So we can expect Nifty some kind of recovery And then if Nifty recovers and trades, sustains and close above 25,500, then we can hope for some kind of a recovery in market. So anyway, now the 25,500 was broken on Friday. The people were scared, and 25,200 put option has a good open interest, and followed by 25,000. So this week, our market will focus more on the election results. Bihar state election, Tuesday final poll. So Tuesday night, exit poll results will come, and Friday, actual poll results will come. So anyway, we hope that Nifty will trade between 25,200 and 26,000 for this week. So rest of the things we will discuss today evening. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.